Hello folks, welcome to another video at autoX, and you can probably tell by the setting that today we are doing something a little different. Actually, we're doing something a lot different. Yes, at autoX our primary job is to review cars and motorcycles and talk about the latest in the automotive world, but another big part of our job is capturing these beautiful machines in the best light possible, be it in terms of photographs or videos. I mean, take our magazine for example. We take such splendid photographs and we're constantly looking for the most artistic shots which can go with our articles. And today, we are trying something very similar. We are trying light painting. It is a mesmerizing photography technique where you paint with light to create some stunning visuals. And what better way to do it than with the Hyundai Verna, with its striking LED light bars on the outside and elegant ambient lighting on the inside. This is not just a car, it's an important component of our canvas today. And the cherry on the cake is that we will teach you how you can replicate this amazing photography technique by yourself. But before we jump into the shot, let me first tell you what all equipment you will need to get the perfect light painting shot and what kind of settings you will be using. Let's begin with the equipment. First, you will need a sturdy tripod. Then, a DSLR or a mirrorless camera which has a manual mode. Third, you will require a light source. This can be an LED light bar like we have today, a flashlight, or maybe even a smartphone. The fourth thing you will need is a remote shutter release or a smartphone app to control your camera from a distance. While you can do without this by using a delayed timer, but having a remote shutter will make things a little bit easier. And last and in no way the least, you will actually need a full human being like we have today to click these pictures so that you can run around with the lights. Alright, once your gear is ready, set your camera to the manual mode, and here is where the magic formula begins. The most important component is the shutter speed. This dictates how long the camera shutter remains open and it allows you to capture those long streaks of light. Usually we keep it between 4 to 30 seconds depending on the kind of shot that we are taking, so you need to experiment a little with the perfect shutter timing. The next thing you need to change is the ISO. Keep this number as low as possible, maybe around 100 to 200 to avoid any kind of noise in your images. Then we come to the aperture setting. Now this number again is dictated by the amount of light that is already available to you using the shutter speed and the ISO. For example, for these shots we used an aperture of around f/20. The number can vary a little bit depending on the shot that you are taking. And finally, make sure that you're using manual focus to pre-focus your subject so that it is crystal clear and sharp. In this case, we are focusing on the sleek lines of the Hyundai Verna. And a bit of housekeeping, make sure that you are shooting these light streaks in the darkest possible environment so that the other elements in your frame are not overexposed. Now, with all that out of the way, let the fun begin. Hit the shutter button on your camera and start moving with your light source around the car or any subject that you have chosen. This is where you can let your imagination run free. You can make random shapes, waves, or even spell something out with the light. Remember, this process can involve some trial and error as you find the perfect shutter speed to capture your light movement. So don't be afraid if it does not come out right in the first few tries. Once you do get it right, it will definitely be worth all the hard work. And there you have it, a guide to capturing amazing light paintings. Now you too can capture these artistic shots. In fact, you should do that, post them online and tag autoX. We would love to see your version of light paintings. Just make sure that you have a gorgeous subject in your photographs like we had the Hyundai Verna to add that extra wow factor. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button. Comment down below if you have any thoughts. Subscribe to our channel for more creative content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.